ATP structure and energy. Adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the abbreviation for adenosine triphosphate. ATP is an energy-carrying molecule found in the cells of all living things. ATP captures chemical energy obtained from the breakdown of food molecules and releases it to fuel other cellular processes. This is the chemical formula for ATP. What does ATP do? When the cell requires energy, ATP is broken down through hydrolysis. The high energy bond is broken and the phosphorus group is removed. The energy released from this process is used to drive various cellular processes. ATP is constantly formed, broken down as it participates in biological reactions, and it is central to the health and growth of life. Without it, cells cannot transfer energy from one location to another. Structure of ATP. ATP is a nucleotide that consists of three main structures: the nitrogen base, adenine, the sugar, ribose, and a chain of three phosphates bound to ribose. The phosphate tail of ATP is the actual power source which the cell taps. An ATP molecule. ATP is a complex organic chemical that participates in many processes found in all forms of life. ATP is often referred to as the molecule unit of currency. How ATP is used for energy. A cell stores excess energy by combining ADP and phosphate to make ATP. Cells get energy in the form of ATP through a process called respiration, a series of chemical reactions oxidizing 6-carbon glucose to form carbon dioxide. Aerobic requires oxygen. Anaerobic does not require oxygen. These two diagrams shows how aerobic and anaerobic makes ATP. Energy from ATP. The ATP molecule can store energy in the form of a high-energy phosphate bond joining the terminal phosphate group to the rest of the molecule. In this form, energy can be stored at one location, then moved from one part of the cell to another, where it can be released to drive other biochemical reactions.